Hi, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. Today I have for you Dia & Co. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I unbox subscription services and show you what comes inside the boxes each month. If subscription service unboxings are something that you love to watch, then please click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get a notification every time I upload a video. And today I have for you Dia & Co. Dia & Co. is a plus-size subscription service that specifically caters to plus-size women. There is a $20 styling fee for each box, and if you decide to keep any of the items that are in this box, then that $20 goes towards those items that you keep. You get 5 days to try on the items and decide if you want to keep them. If they send you items that aren't your size, there is free and unlimited sizing exchange. So you can, if there's an item you want to keep but it's not in your size, send it back, let them know. They can send you a bigger or smaller size. You can try it on and keep going until you find that perfect size for you. If you decide to purchase everything in this box, there is a 25% off discount. Okay, opening up right on top, we have a welcome packet from them. I'm assuming this has what's in here and how much it costs. So we will look at this at the end. And then also in here is the bag to mail your items back with the prepaid envelope. So right on top we have this piece. It's so bright and colorful, looks so springish to me, and I am ready for spring. Anyhow, let's unfold this. Oh, it's a dress. So right off the bat we have this dress, and it's really long. Definitely a maxi dress. Now if you are a short person, this dress is going to be very long on you. My only concern is it looks very, very deep, and I don't wear deep things. So that's something I would have to try on and see, because sometimes dresses or things look like they could be deep and then you try them on and they're not very deep. So I'd have to try that on to make my final decision on whether or not this item would work for me. Next up, we have another sleeveless number. This is a navy blue. It kind of looks black on camera, but it's navy blue and white tank top. And then at the bottom, it has this little lace detail with like spots on it. It's very pretty, and it's very flowy. I love the feel of these fabrics. They feel very high quality fabric so far. Very extremely soft, and it looks like it'd be nice and flowy for summertime. Next we have this tan. I want to describe it as like a peasant type top. It's very light and flowy. The arms are real big. It's got this little knotted front and lace detail in the front. Very pretty. Very see-through. You can see my hand through it. So it's something you would definitely wear like a camisole underneath. Next we have this pretty, love this purpley plum color. Another tank top, very flowy, very simple, and simple. This one doesn't have a lot of detail, but the pattern is very, very beautiful. And next we have a pair of jeans. These are very washed jeans, very light washed jeans, I would say. I actually really like the look of them. I think they look very good quality. They feel very good quality. They are very stretchy jeans. lot of give to them, which is nice. I am a person that has a hard time fitting into jeans. I have big hips and a small waist, so a lot of times if they are big enough to fit my hips, they gap at the waist. Or if I get it to fit my waist, then the hips and thighs are too tight. So because they are a subscription service geared towards plus size women, maybe these jeans will fit me a little bit better. Alright, I'm gonna try these on. Okay. So I don't know if you can see this. It actually fits me pretty well. The waist hits at my natural waist. It is elastic, so it does have a lot of stretch and give to it. My biggest problem with plus size is that I am not a plus size in the chest, and so a lot of the tops in plus size are made for bigger women, and this just has a weird gathering for me. It's just too loose. Now if I was bigger on top, it would fit me really well. It isn't too low. It's low for me, so I would feel self-conscious about it, but it's not too low. And it does go all the way down to the floor. I love the material. It's very light, airy, just a summery dress. Okay, next we have the navy blue one with the white stripes. And I did go ahead and put on the jeans under it. This is a really long tank top. It covers my rear end and it comes down pretty low in the front. It's nice and flowy, so it kind of just, this material just kind of skims over the tummy area. My only thing is, it is huge on me. Like, if I were to keep this, I would definitely want a size or two smaller. So it is extremely big on me. But I love this little lacy detail. It makes it very feminine. I love this one. Sizing's off, so maybe I inputted my sizing wrong, because you do fill out a style profile with your sizing and that kind of thing. Then you have a stylist that goes and takes all that information and tries to curate a box for you. So I think if I were to continue to get this, I would need to go in and adjust my sizes, because this one and the dress, I don't know, the dress fit me really great except for the chest area. But again, I'm small busted. Everyone's different. Alright. Okay, next we have this one that's like the very tan, gauzy, linen-y type. I must say, the quality of all these fabrics is so incredibly good. They just feel so amazing. This one is thin, so I don't know if I'd wear it during the summer. It might be a spring one, because you're going to have to wear a camisole underneath it. I put a black camisole on just so you can clearly see the camisole through the top. I'm underwhelmed by this one. It is very just kind of boxy, and that might be the style, but for me it doesn't do anything flattering for my figure, so this would be a huge pass for me. The detail on it's beautiful. The sleeves are nice and flowy, but it's not my style shirt, and it just does not look flattering on me, I don't think. Next we have this dark plum purple color. I like this top. I like how it's low in the front and in the back, but it kind of curves up. It's very, very flowy, super loose, and flowy. I'm getting kind of maternity shirt type vibes to it, how it's just so, you know, it has the gathering hair, it's just super flowy. But honestly, I'm not mad at it. The fabric is so incredibly soft and like silky. It's thin and lightweight, but at the same time, you can't see through it, which I love that. I love this shirt. The top fits me really well. It's a little bit loose on the sides. It looks flattering, I think. Alright, next we have the pants. And I've been wearing them this whole time with all the tops. And I must say, I'm not impressed with these pants whatsoever. As you can see, I have to pull them up. And I've only had them on for like 5 minutes. So, let's start with the jeans. They have a good length, like, they are nice, slightly flared out at the bottom. That's how I like my jeans, to have a tighter thigh and just a slightly boot cut flare to the bottom. They go down to my foot. They're very good length, very, very stretchy, very comfortable, very good quality jeans, just not for me. Okay, next up, let's go over the cost of these items, and they're all listed on the invoice, and I will let you know also what sizes I received. So we have the maxi dress first, and it is a Sabrina Collective maxi dress in the size 18W, and it costs $72. Next up, we have the navy blue and white sleeveless top in the Michael Studio collection. It is a 2X, and this one is $49. Then we have the Meaver Lane, I think that's how it's said, I'm not sure, tunic style top in a size 2X, and it is $42. Then we have the Prescott, New York tank top, also in the size 2X, and this one is also $49. Then we have the Morgan & Walker jeans, and they are in a size 18, and they are $69. So the grand total for this box is $281. If you were to buy everything, you get your 25% off, and that would give you $70.25 off, which would leave you with $210.75. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, please click the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and stick around for more unboxing videos.